Welcome to POSable. In this video, we are heading back to the POSable Back Office and we are continuing to configure the API settings. We will be configuring currency, taxes, and time zone settings. If you are a tax-registered business in the country where you reside, these settings must be set correctly to ensure sales data is recorded properly. POSable supports USD, GBP, and Euro, among other currencies. Check with the POSable integrated card payment providers which currencies they support. Head to the API settings in the back office. Set in your currency. This determines how prices are displayed across the system. Click the edit icon for currency and then enter the currency symbol into the value field. For example, for the United Kingdom, enter the pound symbol into the value field and click Save. Next, set your time zone. The time zone setting informs the POSable system of any local time differences for your location, as this may differ from the base time zone that POSable is using. This ensures sales, reports, and timestamps match your actual trading hours. If you are unsure what time zone to use, go to the website www.w3schools.com/php/ref_timezones.asp and find your time zone there. The time zone value is exactly as it is detailed on the W3 Schools website. For example, the time zone for the United Kingdom is Europe London. Now review tax settings. Choose the appropriate tax configuration for your business and region. If taxation is not applicable, then you can simply leave this alone. We will cover how to deal with products that do not have tax in the How to Create Products video. If taxation is applicable, or if you sell products, services with different tax rules, then set the VAT and reduced VAT settings with the appropriate values. Save your settings once complete. Getting currency, tax, and time zone correct ensures that everything else in POSable behaves exactly as expected. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching.